Hey, welcome. I want to welcome everyone to our channel. And today we're going to discuss how to change your microphone from mono to stereo using OBS for YouTube and or Twitch. Come on inside. Okay, the first thing we want to do, we want to come up here to the top screen, okay, to the top menu. We want to check and make sure that we go to View and we go to Docs, okay? We want to go over to Docs and make sure that our audio mixer is checked, okay? The audio mixer is where we're going to need to do our changes at. So we're going to make sure that audio mixer is checked. If it's unchecked, then we're going to click it to make sure that it's checked so that we can enable it, okay? Now, this is your audio mixer here, okay? We're going to look not at the desktop audio, but at the mic aux, okay? We're going to look over here at this knob over here. It's called the settings. So we're going to go over there. We're going to right click or left click. You can do either or. Either or is acceptable, okay? You're going to click on it and you're going to go all the way to the bottom, okay? You're going to see advanced audio properties, okay? Advanced audio properties is what we're looking for, okay? Now you're going to click on that. Now you're going to come over. You see desktop audio, and then you see mic auxiliary, okay? Those two options. What we're going to do is we're going to go right here and look at mic aux, okay? That's where our problem is, okay? We're going to come over to mono, right? You see that? Those two options here for the desktop audio and the mic aux, okay? We're going to click on mic aux, okay? Mine was already set up from the beginning, so I didn't have to worry about that. It wasn't an issue, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to now check out and look to the side over here, and you can see where to the side over here, where your audio mixer is. You see both your left and your right now are operating, okay? If it wasn't operating before, you'll see both now operating, okay? Now, once I click on it, you'll see only one operator. I'm going to do that now so that you can see that, okay? Now you should be able to see only one, which is probably the left. Okay. Now, I clicked it again. Now, both are operating, okay? So this is how you solve that problem, okay? This is how we change our microphone from mono to stereo, okay? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel for more and up-to-date content like this, and we'll keep you up to date. Any problems that you have, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be, more than welcome to reply back to you. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for liking our channel.